Hello students, English, Three Visions for India. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the father of India's integrated guided missile program, states three visions for India based on the achievements and progress that he has witnessed in the history of the nation and during his own career as a missile scientist. Here, vision. Vision means what? A dream or an ideal. Potential. Potential means what? Capacity or ability. Dr. Kalam's three visions for India are freedom, development and standing up. Means what were the three visions of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam for India? Freedom, development and standing up. The focus of his presentation is on developing India into its fullest potential. Potential means capacity or ability. While standing up to the rest of the world. Here, standing up to. What's the meaning of standing up to? It's a phrase, being brave and facing challenges. With fully validated self-respect for the achievements that have been obtained in the modern times. If we are not free, no one will respect us. See, if we are not free, no one will respect us. I have three visions for India. In 3000 years of our history, people from all over the world have come and invaded us. Invaded means what? Conquered us. Captured our land and conquered our minds. From Alexander onwards, the Greeks, the Portuguese, the British, the French, the Dutch and all of them came and looted us and took over what was ours. Here took over means what? Took authority of. You know that if you learn history, when you learn history, you learn all these things. Means when was Alexander? When did he invade India? Portugal invasion, British, French, Dutch. We know very well. Yet we have not done this to any other nation. We have not conquered anyone. We have not grabbed their land, their culture, their history, nor tried to force our way of life on them. Why? Because we respect the freedom of others. As other nations did on India, they captured our land, they tortured us, they invaded us. But India did not do this because we respect freedom of others.